Assalamu alaikum, dear learners. How are you all? This is Mohammad Bilal Hussain, lecturer, Department of English, Milestone College. Today we are going to learn about a famous woman. Her childhood name is Agnes. Have you ever heard the name? She was born at Skopje of Macedonia in Europe. At the age of 18, she left home and joined an Irish community of nuns called the Sisters of Loreto. Then she came to India to preach a Christian religion. Dear learners, have you recognized the woman? Who is she? Yes, you are absolutely right. According to her, our today's topic is Unit 7, Lesson 4, The Beginning. From this lesson, you will be able to learn about Mother Teresa with some important vocabularies. After reading this lesson, you will be able to answer to the given questions. Then, what are the questions? Okay, look at the board for the questions. Number 1. Where did Mother Teresa's ancestors come from? 2. Where was her father's home? 3. Why did she want to become a missionary? 4. What made her different from other girls at such an early age? What words and expressions are used in the text to describe this difference? 5. What did Mother Teresa do in the first 17 years in India? Now, before starting reading the text, I'd like to suggest you to look at some vocabularies. The vocabulary: Catholic, belonging or relating to the Christian religion that has the Pope. Descent, family origin, the phase of dynasty. Sibling, brother or sister of the same parents. Humanity, kindness or compassion. Urge, to try hard to persuade somebody to do something or request. Missionary, person sent to teach the Christian religion to people. Parental, relating to parent. Community, a group of people with interest, with the same interest or same job. Initial, first or beginning. Vow, a serious promise or decision. Theology, the study of religion and religious belief. Impact, influence or effect. Superior, someone in a higher position. Convent, a building where nuns live and pray. Learners, I think you are ready with your English for Today book and copy. So now we are going to start reading from the English for Today book. Learners, Part A. Read the text and choose the best answer. It was late summer, 26 August 1910. ইয়া ছিল শরৎকাল 1910 সালের 26শে আগস্ট। A little girl was born to a rich Catholic parents, merchants family. ক্যাথলিক ধনী ব্যবসায়ী পরিবারে এক ছোট্ট শিশু জন্মগ্রহণ করেছিলেন। Of Albanian descent in a small town called Skopje, Macedonia. মেসিডোনিয়ার ছোট্ট স্কোপিয়া শহরে এক আলবেনিয়ান বংশোদ্ভূত পরিবারে জন্মগ্রহণ করেছিলেন। She was the youngest of the 3 siblings. তিনি ছিলেন 3 ভাই বোনের মধ্যে সবচেয়ে ছোট। And was named Agnes Gonzabozaziu. এবং তার নাম রাখা হয়েছিল অ্যাগনেস গঞ্জাবোজাবিউ। Who could imagine at the time that কে সে সময় ভেবেছিল যে this little girl would one day become এই ছোট্ট বালিকাটি একদিন হবেন the mother of humanity মানবতার জননী loving and serving the poorest of the poor যিনি ভালোবাসবেন সেবা দিবেন গরিবদের মধ্যে সবচেয়ে গরিবদের yes হ্যাঁ we are talking about none other than Mother Teresa আমরা আর কারো কথাই বলছি না মাদার তেরেসা ব্যতীত at the age of 12 12 বছর বয়সে she heard a voice from within তিনি নিজের মধ্যেই এক আওয়াজ বা ডাক শুনতে পান that urged her যা তাকে উদ্বুদ্ধ করেছিল to spread the love of Christ খ্রিস্টের ভালোবাসা ছড়িয়ে দেওয়ার জন্যে she decided that তিনি সিদ্ধান্ত নিলেন যে she would be a missionary তিনি ধর্মপ্রচারক হবেন at the age of 18 বছর বয়সে she left her parental home তিনি তার পিতৃনিবাস ত্যাগ করেন she then joined an Irish community of nuns তারপর তিনি এক আইরিশ সন্ন্যাসী কমিউনিটিতে যোগদান করেন called the Sisters of Loreto যার নাম হলো Sisters of Loreto which had missions in India যার দায়িত্ব ছিল ইন্ডিয়ায় ধর্ম প্রচার করা after a few months of training কয়েক মাস প্রশিক্ষণ নেওয়ার পরে at the Institute of the Blessed Virgin Mary in Dublin ডাবলিনের Blessed Virgin Mary প্রতিষ্ঠানটিতে মাদার তেরেসা came to India এরপর মাদার তেরেসা ইন্ডিয়াতে আসেন on May 24, 1931 1931 সালের 24 মে তারিখে she took her initial vows as a nun তিনি প্রথম শপথ গ্রহণ করেন সন্ন্যাসিনী হিসেবে from 1931 to 1948 1931 সাল থেকে 1948 সাল পর্যন্ত মাদার তেরেসা taught geography and theology মাদার তেরেসা ভূগোল এবং ধর্মতত্ত্ব বিষয়ে শিক্ষাদান করেন at St. Mary's High School in কলকাতা কলকাতার সেন্ট ম্যারিজ হাই স্কুলে however যা হোক the widespread poverty in কলকাতাতে বিরাজমান দারিদ্র্য had deep impact গভীর রেখাপাত করেছিল on Mother Teresa মাদার তেরেসার মনে and in 1948 এবং 1948 সালে she received permission তিনি অনুমতি লাভ করেন from her superiors তার ঊর্ধ্বতনদের নিকট থেকে to leave the convent সন্ন্যাসী আশ্রম ত্যাগ করার জন্য and devote herself নিজেকে নিয়োগ করবার জন্য to caring for the poorest of the poor গরিবদের মধ্যে সবচেয়ে গরিবদের সেবা করার জন্য in the slums of কলকাতার বস্তিবাসীদের মধ্যে Now young learners I would like to justify your understanding the lesson by giving you some multiple choice questions. Part A, MCQ 1. What does Mother of Humanity mean in the text? A good mother. B, a kind mother who has many children. C, a mother who likes humans. D, a mother figure who serves the poor like her own children. MCQ 2. Why did Mother Teresa want to be a missionary? Because she heard A, the voice of her neighbors discussing it. B, a voice in her dream. C, a voice within herself. D, the voice of her parents talking about it. Which is the correct answer? Can you tell? Yes, you are absolutely right. You have given the correct answer. The correct answer is C, a voice within herself. Next, number 3. Mother Teresa set out to join the missionary of the Sisters of Loreto in the year. You have to tell me in which year. Number A, 1927, B, 1928, C, 1929, D, 1930. What is the correct answer here? Can you tell me? Yes, you have given the correct answer. The correct answer here is B, 1928. Our next question is number 4. Mother Teresa took her first vows as a nun at the age of A, 18, B, 19, C, 20, D, 21. What is the correct answer? Can anybody tell? Yes, you are right. The correct answer is D, 21. Now, the next but the last one. 5. When did Mother Teresa get permission to devote herself to caring for the poorest of poor in the slums of Kolkata? A, 1928, B, 1931, C, 1948, D, 1938. What is the correct answer? C. The correct answer here is number C, 1948. Okay, young learners, now try to answer to the given questions from your understanding or by reading the lesson from the book again. তোমরা যদি ভালোভাবে প্যাসেজটি পড়ে থাকো আর যদি ক্লাস থেকে ভালোভাবে আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড করে থাকো তাহলে এই কোয়েশ্চেনগুলোর আনসার সহজেই করতে পারবে। আশা করি তোমরা ভালোভাবে আজকের লেসনটি বুঝতে পেরেছো এবং যে কোয়েশ্চেনস তোমাদেরকে দিতে যাচ্ছি সেগুলোর সঠিকভাবে উত্তর করতে পারবে। Okay, learners, part B. Question 1. Where did Mother Teresa's ancestors come from? মাদার তেরেসার পূর্বপুরুষেরা কোথা থেকে এসেছিলেন? আনসারটি করতে পারবে তো? Yes, you can try. Answer. Mother Teresa's ancestors came from Albania. Question 2. Where was her father's home? Answer. Her father's home was at Skopje in Macedonia. Number 3. Why did she want to become a missionary? তিনি কেন একজন সন্ন্যাসী হতে চেয়েছিলেন? নিশ্চয়ই তোমরা এই কোশ্চেনের উত্তর পারবে। Answer. To respond to the call of God, she wanted to spread the love of Christ, being a missionary. Number 4. What made her different from her girls at such an early age? Answer. Her deep thinking and feeling made her different from other girls at such an early age. Next, question number 5. What words and expressions are used in the text to describe this difference? Answer. The words "she heard a voice from within herself" are used in the text to describe the difference. Question number 6, the last one. What did Mother Teresa do in the first 17 years in India? Answer. In the first 17 years in India, Mother Teresa taught geography and theology at St. Mary's High School in Kolkata. Learners, we have already come to the end of our class. From this lecture, I think you have learned about Mother Teresa with some important vocabularies, multiple choice questions, and answering short questions. I hope all of you have understood the lecture very well. Still, if you have any problems, you can write to me. You are now facing the COVID-19 situation all over the world. Though it is very difficult to face, you are to utilize your time properly. So, stay home, stay safe. Best of luck. Allah Hafiz.